There's a cabin sitting high on a ridge in the Rocky Mountains of Western Canada. It overlooks the foothills to the east, rolling hills and forest. But all winter, no one goes there. The road closes and it's cut off for months. It feels like a place no one ever comes to, but in the summer, it's a person's home. So I wanted to see what it's like when the road is closed for the season and no one else is there.
This is the Junction Mountain Fire Lookout. It's in the eastern slopes of the Rocky Mountains. It sits on a ridge that's actually connected to the peak, and it's staffed in the summer. So it's an active fire lookout. It's part of Alberta's early warning system to detect fires. There's over 100 of these fire lookouts scattered throughout Alberta's Rocky Mountains and in the province's northern boreal forest. They're positioned strategically on ridges like this one and small peaks to give 365-degree views. They cover massive parcels of land and allow fires to be spotted early from far away. So there's someone that's stationed here throughout the fire season. It's their home and it's also where they work. It's a really important job, an amazing place to spend the summer for a young student or something like that. But what's really interesting to me is the notion that it's in such an isolated location. Most of these lookouts are very remote. This one is relatively close to Calgary, but it's a 15-kilometer trek up and almost 1,000 meters vertical gain to get here. So that's no small feat. It was actually pretty challenging today. And that's compounded with the fact that the road is closed for the whole winter, which is the main reason that I wanted to come here. I wanted to see if there was any evidence of other people, and there really wasn't. Just having that road closed all winter is just too much of an obstacle. I think they're pretty fascinating places. There's all kinds of infrastructure for the people that work here, radio antenna, propane tanks, water. So my plan is to set up camp and spend the night. I'm really hoping that the clouds lift and we get some amazing views either later this evening and hopefully in the morning.
Winds over 200 kilometers an hour have been recorded at Junction Lookout. Most of the weather in Western Canada comes from the Pacific, and when it's forced over the Rockies, it accelerates as it comes down the eastern slopes. That's what creates Chinook winds. And up on a ridge like this, there's nothing to slow them down. There's a reason no one comes up here in the winter, and I wanted to see what it's actually like. It's a strange feeling knowing the shelter's right there, but I can't use it. The lookout cabin was built to withstand the elements, the extreme weather, to protect someone. But right now, it's almost like it doesn't exist.
Clouds are moving back in. I thought it was going to clear up for a while. I could see the sky, but looks like it's going to be on and off clouds. It's too bad. Wonder how much snow we'll get tonight. Just a little dusting or some real accumulation. We'll see.
Packing up in the morning, I had a bit of a strange feeling. There was something about seeing the lookout that made it like I wasn't completely alone. Even though I couldn't use it, just knowing it was there made it feel a little less isolated, like it wasn't just an empty ridge. The clouds have lifted just enough this morning to be able to see down onto the foothills and the Kananaskis public lands, which is where this fire lookout watches over. You can see the ridge here that connects over
that the cabin's on, and it runs all the way up to the summit of Junction Mountain, which is what gives this lookout its name. The summit's popping in and out of the clouds, so I got a little bit lucky that way. Bit of snow overnight, maybe 10 centimeters, maybe a bit less. But I hope you guys found this interesting to see a place like this when most people don't. I've always wanted to come up here in the winter, much more so than in the summer. There's just something a little bit different about it, and brought you guys along to see.